Today installation of Java, JRE, JDK, and we'll go with the basic structure of a Java. So installing Java, JRE, JDK. So for that, what we can do is just go to the Google and search for Java download. Under the Java downloading, here you can find download Java for Windows. Okay, na? Download Java for Windows. Click on the icon, automatically your Java will be installed. Now here, under this link, do you find the download Java? So we need to click on this download Java. So automatically your Java will be installed in this path. Steps for downloading Java. Search for download Java downloading. Under this link, click on download Java. So Java will be downloaded. Now once you download the Java, now we need to install your JRE and JDK. JRE and JDK. So for that, what we can do is just search for JRE 1.7. JRE 1.7. Java SE runtime. Here you can find Java oracle.com/java/technologies/. So under this tab, under this icon link, here you can find, just scroll down, there you can find the versions. This is Java SE development kit, JDK. Nothing but where you can write the programming, JDK, Java development. Java runtime environment, JR is nothing but where you are going to compile your program, Now, if you want to install the JRE, so what you can see is under the Java SE runtime environment, you need to select your operating system, which operating system you want to work on that. So for that, just scroll down. Here you can find, see, Windows x64.exe file. Okay, na? This is the file which we need to download for JRE. So now, search for JRE 1.7 free downloading. Now under this link, under this link, next link, click on. So what is the link we need to click? We need to click, see, this is the link which we need to click on the. So just copy the link and you can write out, click on for downloading JRE 1.7. JRE 1.7. That's all. So you download your JRE will be downloaded. Now once JRE has been downloaded, now we need to download your. Now under this, you need to download your downloading JDK 1.7 version. Downloading JDK 1.0. In the same page, on the top, you can find JDK. Have you observed this? Java SC download development kit. Have you seen this icon? Under this icon, you can find as, see, when you scroll down, here you can find, this is the icon which we need to click for JDK. You need to click on the JDK. Click on. Okay. So once you download Java, JRE, JDK, now I need to install my Eclipse, right? So I want to install my Eclipse. So for installation of Eclipse, what we can do is just search for Eclipse free downloading. Eclipse free downloading. There you can find an icon. The first icon is Eclipse download the Eclipse foundation. Click on this icon. Click on this icon. Just when you scroll down, on the left hand side, you can find a get Eclipse IDE 2022-12. This is this. Under this, you need to click on the download x64 bit. Need to click on the x64 bit. So, and under this link, click on. So what do you need to do? Click on the download. Click on the download x64. Yes. x64 bit. Now click on download x64 hyphen for Windows. So once you click on that, see, when you click on this, automatically it will be downloaded. Your Eclipse will be downloaded. So this is the how you are going to install your Java, JRE, JDK and Eclipse. Okay, na?
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
While downloading JRE, it is asking Oracle login and all.
You need to register with Oracle, madam.
Yeah, okay.
Once you registered your Oracle, you'll get username and password to your mail ID, right? So
Yeah,
you need to use those credentials, and using that you can download those JRE and JDK.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, madam. Directly it won't ask you. First it will ask you, please register with Oracle. Once you register with Oracle, you will get the credential to your mail ID. Using that credential, you can download your JRE and JDK. Okay, na? Got it?
Yeah, okay.
Others?
Yeah, okay, Balakrishna.
Okay.
Okay, Balakrishna.
So now, once you download the JRE, JDK and Java Eclipse, now we can work with the core Java. Now your Eclipse will be open. So for opening, I'll show you. Now just I'm going to type for Eclipse. So now Eclipse ID for Java development. So my ID is 2021 hyphen the window ID launcher. So it will ask you the workbook. So workspace. Under the workspace, I'm going to mention WebDriver 3. WebDriver 3. That is your project name. Click on the launch. So this is my Eclipse IDE 2021-09. Okay. Now, here there are many icons are there. ID configuration settings. You can change your environments. Create Hello World application. Create a new Java project. If you want to create a new Java project, you can click here. Or else Directly can click on the right hand side, you can find hide, automatically open your main page. Now check out projects from Git, mean that you can get the projects from the GitHub. Import existing project, mean you will import the current project. Launch the Eclipse marketplace, mean whenever you want to download something in Eclipse, or if you want to add any jar files, or if you want to add any internal files in the Eclipse, you can click on this marketplace. Open existing file. If you want to open a current file, you can open the file. Overview, help document, sample projects, what's new about description of your Eclipse. Now here what I'm doing, I'm going to click on the create a new Java project. Click on a new Java project. It will ask you enter the project name. So like I'll make as WebDriver 3. Click next. Click finish. Now it will ask you, do you want to create any module? Don't create any internal module. Just click no, don't create. So automatically your project is being created. This project is being created. Under the project, you can create your package, you can create your classes, you can write the program in the classes itself. So this is how you are going to downloading the Eclipse and creating a project in your Eclipse. My project name is WebDriver 3. Okay, na? WebDriver 3. Under the WebDriver 3, you can create your package, you can create your classes, you can add your jar files, and you can generate the scripts, and you can view the results. This window is called as, this part is called as a project explorer. Project explorer means the list of projects which is being handled by the user. What kind of projects we are going to do, what kind of projects have been involved in this project, and what kind of packages, what kind of classes you've been created in the packages. Everything can be mentioned in this project itself. So this is the project explorer. And the below part is called as a console, where we can get the result, whether the result is pass or fail, depending upon the syntax errors, depending upon the variable declarations, depending upon the functions, methods, all these things you can view in this result. And the middle part, this part is called as the script window. Script window mean where the developers are going to write the programming and where the testers are going to generate the script in the script window. So this is the first part of your Eclipse. Okay, na? Got it? Is it clear?
Clear, Balakrishna.
Yeah, clear.
Okay.
Clear, Balakrishna.
Here the
Yeah,
JR.
clear.
Once you create your Eclipse, on the bottom hand, you can find JRE, Java Runtime Environment. Defaultly, whenever installed in a machine, the GRE will be identified by in the Eclipse itself. SRC is a source folder where we are going to create your packages, where we are going to create your classes, where we are going to add your jar files, folders, everything will be stored in this SRC, source code, in the source code. Now, in this Eclipse, first of all, we need to know what is the difference between project, package, and a class. Anybody? What is the difference between project, package, and a class? Project, package, class. What is the project, package, and class? Anybody?
Package is like a collection of different programs.
Collection of packages. Okay, na? Project is nothing but a collection of packages. Collection of classes.
Class package.
And a single
Collection of
or
yeah.
collection of objects.
Collection of methods, objects and methods.
Objects and methods. Collection of objects and methods. Okay, so there's some project, package, and a class. So you can now Whenever we want to write a program, first we need to create a project, package, and a class. So in this Eclipse, so what is the first thing is we are going to create a project. We already created a project. Under this, I'm going to create a package. For that, what I'm going to do, right click on the project, go to new, select the package. We need to select the package. This is your project name, package name, day one. Click next. Right? Day one is created. Under the day one, right click on that. Go to new. Click on the class and mention the name as program one. Mention as program one. Now, whenever you want to compile a Java program without the main method, it cannot execute it. So what is the first method? Main method is public static void string comma arguments is the main method. Whenever you want to compile the program, you need to select this. You need to select your library file, which is public static void main string comma arguments. Once you select this icon, click on the finish. See, here, the package name, what is your package name? What is the package name? Day one.
Day one.
What is
Day
your
one.
class name?
Program
See, package name, day one. Now, this is the method which has been selected. Under the method, we can write the programming. So, open braces, close braces. Right. Now, if you want to print a statement in Java, we use system.out.println welcome to Java. This is how we are going to print a statement in Java. If you want to comment a line for a single line, we use double slash, which this statement cannot be executed. It will be considered as a comment. Okay. So single line comment is double slash. For multiple lines in Java, we use slash and ends with a star slash. Okay, ends with slash. This is the method. Next. Note. For single line comment in Java, we use double slash. For multiple lines in Java, we use slash star and ends with the star slash and ends with slash slash. Next, to print a statement in Java, we use system.out.println welcome. Okay, so to print a statement, we use got it? Any doubts? Now, after that,
No.
no. Now, introduction, go to introduction of Java. Now, anybody, what is Java and why do you use this Java? Anybody? Why do you require Java? Anybody? No idea?
No.
Okay.
No idea.
It is a general purpose. It is a general purpose programming language which is used for designing and developing. It is a general purpose programming language which is used for designing and developing web applications. There are many applications are there. Okay, now it is an object oriented programming language. This is an object oriented mean whenever you want to create a method or whenever you want to call a method or whenever you want to call a class, we need to create an object. Using that object, we can call the methods. Using the methods, using that object, we can call the methods or functions or classes. So it is an object oriented programming language designed by James Gosling. James Gosling in 1995 by Sun Microsystems. Designed by Sun Microsystems in 1995. Now there are different versions are there, Java versions like Java 2.9, Java 9, Java 2.0 or else Java. There are different versions are there. Now Java 7, Java 8 version is there, depends upon that. So the older version is 1995 is the first version which has been introduced in Java. Before the Java, they have been introduced Python also. Python is the first programming language. The next one is Java. Now, this Java is used for what are the features of Java? Actually, this Java is maintained by JVM. We call it as a JVM, Java Virtual Machine, which is JVM, which is controlled by JRE and JDK, Java Runtime Environment as well as Java Development Kit. So these two are maintained by the JVM. JVM is mentioned by Java JDK and JRE. JDK and JRE. So when you just, this is an open source tool. Open source tool means that it is a free downloading software. It is a free downloading software. Java is a platform independent tool. Independent tool mean that it doesn't open source to this, it will supports, it will download, it is a free downloading software. Platform independent means it will support any operating system. You can run multiple tasks parallelly. So that's an Java. Okay, now? Got it? What are the features of Java? Where do we use Java? When, what kind of applications you can design using Java? Now, what are the features of Java? First one, it is a platform independent tool. That means that platform independent is nothing but whatever the program you written in one machine, you can run the same programming in multiple operating system. That's a platform independent. It is an object-oriented programming language. It is an object-oriented programming language. It is an object-oriented programming language. Next, it is more security when compared with When compared with other programming languages, this Python is an interpreted programming language. Even Python is also an interpreted programming language. Every programming or every tools will have every programming in Java creates with a class name. Create with a class name. Without the class name or without any main method, we cannot compile the Java program. So it is an object-oriented programming language. What is object-oriented programming language? When you want to call a class, when you want to call a function, when you want to create a method, if you want to call a method using the object, we can call those methods. Next, it has more security. It is more securable. It is more securable programming language. It is a more securable programming language. Next, it is more flexible. Flexible in the sense, whatever the programming written in program in a machine, you can validate as per the requirement. You can make changes during the runtime process. So in the flexible in the sense, whatever you can develop application can be modified as per the requirement. That is more flexible. It is more portable. It is more portable. Portable in the sense, whatever the program written in one system can be run in the same program in other machines. That is called portable. It's called as a portable. So this is next one. The next one is multi-threading. This is a multi-threading. We'll call it as a what do you remember portable? Anybody? What do you mean portable? One program written in one machine can run the same programming in multiple machines. That is a portable. Okay, na? Hello?
Okay, Bal.
Okay, Balakrishna.
Okay, Balakrishna.
Multi-threading. What do you mean by multi-threading? What do you mean by multiple threads? Using Java, we can run number of tasks parallelly. We can run any number of programs at a time or number of tasks performing at the same time simultaneously. We can run any number of classes parallelly. Is a portable, is a multi-threading. It is a simple programming language where the user can understand by creating an objects and methods and classes. So it is simple mean the last one is this is a simple is nothing but program written in one method can execute based on the syntaxes, based on the syntax, based on loops, based upon the functions, based on methods. So all these things we can perform using in Java. So it's a platform independent tool. It is an object oriented programming language. It is more securable. It is more portable. It is a multi-threading. It is next last one is it is a what is the last one? It is simple to learn. Simple programming language which are written with the simple programming Latin by one method which can be executed based on the syntax, loops, functions, and methods. Okay, so these are all the features of Java. Next, what kind of applications using Java we can design the applications? What kind of applications we can design using Java? We can design window-based applications, web applications, Next.